Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, welcome. It is me, your girl Liza Liy, and I am back with another video. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are reviewing the Selena Gomez product. I did the eye makeup off camera just because I was not reviewing the eye makeup part. I was more focusing on the face, so that's that. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I like how this came out. Okay, I did a little bit mixture of other product as well, but yeah, this is the look. If you are interested of how to create this look, then please keep on watching, you guys. So as you can tell, I did my eye makeup off camera, and that is because today we are redoing the review of Selena Gomez product. I don't have a full face by her, so I picked up 3 products of hers. I picked up a primer, a concealer, and a foundation. So this is what we're trying on today. But at the same time, I picked up the Hudabeauty powder, so we're putting this to the test with the Selena Gomez products. You might be like, how come these products are not in the boxes? That's because I filmed it with it yesterday. I was trying to do a review video just as today, but yesterday my camera wasn't focused. The whole look wasn't focused, so I was all mad because I sat down for hours trying to film a review based on this product, but the look I wasn't happy with how it came out, so I decided to refilm it today, and that's why these products are not in the bags. Okay, I'm giving you guys a real review of these products. Okay, the question is, are they worth it, your money? Okay, we're finding out today, because a lot of people go crazy with new products. I do too, because I want to know, like, I'm excited. I want to know what's new, like what is so good about these products that everybody's going crazy about, that I also want to try, right? So today we're putting these on the test, sweetie. Okay, so I have the primer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the primer on. Oh, okay, the primer doesn't have a smell, if you guys know what I'm talking about, but this does not have a smell that I like at all. I don't know what I would compare this smell to, like, I don't know. But yeah, this is the primer. We're applying on the primer. Okay, let's see the foundation now. This foundation is too liquid, you guys. You have to be careful once you open like this. If you were to like bend a little bit, you having it all over you. So yeah, you have to be careful with it. So this is the foundation. Why does it look dark? And this is in the shade 52 OW, by the way. It looks very dark. I swear this foundation looks dark. Oh my god. Well, let's see now. Time to blend it in now. You guys, this is how the foundation looks. In my opinion, it's not bad. Okay, it's not bad. It's just a little bit too dark for my shade, a little bit, and it's a little liquid in, so yeah, it's not that bad. I'm not gonna say don't buy it, but if you want to go ahead and try it out, go ahead. Maybe it might work perfect for your face, but for mine, no, this is too liquid. It looks a little bit oily, so yeah, that's one thing that I don't like about this foundation. It's a little runny. I found this funny. When it comes to concealing, she has a concealer that's exactly the same shade as the foundation. So this is a foundation which is in 52 OW. There's a concealer that's exactly the same as the foundation in the shade 52 OW. However, when I bought the foundation, I did not want to go in with a concealer that's exactly the same shade as the foundation, because when I'm highlighting, I like going in a little bit brighter. So I went in with a different concealer in the shade 47 OC. So I'm applying on the concealer. Her concealers are so small, by the way. It's like, what? the hell? This is what I paid for $25. In her collection, she does not have a contour palette or neither powder. That's why I'm going in with the Huda Beauty powder after blending the concealer. But for the contour, I'm gonna go in with the RubyKisses contour. These does not have a name, but they have numbers, and this is the number. I'm gonna apply a little of contour because I don't go crazy with contour. I do sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, but this time I'm gonna go in lightly, so in that way I see the true color of Selena Gomez's product. Okay, I want to see how they stand out without using too much product. Okay, you guys, I like the concealer. It's not bad. It blends in perfect with the foundation. I feel like I might do a different job if I do a different foundation, but yeah, I like the concealer honestly. Okay, it blends in real good within the foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and blend the rest of my face and see how this goes. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and take my Huda Beauty powder, and we're going to look these products right in together. I love the way the Huda Beauty powder smells. Oh, it smells so good. It's like a perfume or something. I also love the way it melts into the skin. Like, look this. You see this? A big difference. This is what I always want. Usually this is what I like. If I buy a powder or a new product, it could be any other powders, if it does not do the job like this difference, I be so mad. Okay, you guys, look this is just the powder. Okay, we are taking the Essence Sun Club matte powder palette, and I'm gonna take these two shades right here just to look in the rest of the foundation. I'm gonna take the KVD Shaded Light Contour palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. Next, I'm gonna take my Juviasplace blush palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and that there, you know, we have that little warmness in your face. Okay. go ahead and set this up with Morphe setting spray, and I'm gonna spray this all over my face. Okay, love the way this shit smells. It smells so good. For the lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with the NYX lip gloss. Don't worry, yo, everything that I've used I will leave it in the description below, so you're gonna have all the information. And for the lip line, I'm gonna take the Essence in the shade brown. Highlighting, I'm gonna go in with the MAC highlighting. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my hair and throw on a little blazer, and I'm gonna see you in a second. The finished look. Thank you so much for tuning today's video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you like about this look. Let me know what you guys want to see on my channel next, because I'm ready. Okay, let me know what kind of look you want me to draw, because I'm here for it. Okay, other than that, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Also, when you're making a subscription, hit the little bell, and now you are notified whenever I upload a new video, so don't miss anything good. Other than that, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.